Hey everyone, welcome back to Komal's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly cut open a dragon fruit. Some people also call it pitaya. Ignore the top, it's been in my fridge for a few days. This fruit is actually very simple. A lot of people are scared of it, but it's very simple. Look at this. It's very smooth. Now I've got two techniques that you can try. One, which is my preferred technique, is you take a spoon and scoop the entire thing out. It's very easy. Scoops out. There you go. Pretty much empty inside. Take it, cut it whichever way you'd like to cut it. There you go. The other method is, if you don't have a spoon around, you can just like slice open the skin a little. And then peel it off. Like if you're at a picnic or something, you have a knife but not a spoon, you can do this. If you just don't want to remove another piece of cutlery, there you go. Just chop the top off. And there you go. There is your fruit, ready to be eaten. I know sometimes you have a red version of it, sometimes it's white, sometimes the fruit is sweet, sometimes it's sour. You never know what you're going to get inside. But overall, it's a yum fruit to eat. Enjoy!